Good evening, everyone. Hi. Let's see who all have joined today for today's session. Okay, 5 people, 11. Nice. Awesome. So, hi guys, this is Pallavi and I am the Goki coach. Goki, as you all know, is live health and fitness platform, video platform where you can interact live with coaches. So, today we are going to talk about the penis size, penis size. And let's do a quick hi, everyone, please. We all are friends and we all are a big group. So let's see who all have joined and who all are listening to the session. Are you able to hear my voice? Hi, Suresh. I'm good, Suresh. Guys, let's do a quick hi just to see that yes, we are really tuned into the today's session because it's going to be really funny session, informational session. I'm going to share a lot of stories and lots of things about penis you must have never heard about it. I also have a very nice image that I will show you, in between the session just to debunk the myth. इतना सारा myth जो है इस चीज़ को लेके कि साइज़ बड़ा होना चाहिए, क्या साइज़ रियली बड़ा होना चाहिए, तो उसकी हम बातें करेंगे. So let me begin with the session. I hope you all are listening. So see, understand, a man's preoccupation with penis is same as a woman's preoccupation with her figure or her breast size. Okay, so it is very much like it penis जो penis कहते हैं उसको penis कहते हैं बेसिकली. सो पीनस के साथ जो मैन का प्री ऑक्यूपेशन होता है वो बिल्कुल वैसे ही होता है जैसा एक औरत का अपने ब्रेस्ट से होता है, मतलब एक अपने स्तनों से होता है, राइट. जिसे हम कहते हैं कि हाँ, गर्ल्स की बात होती है तो गर्ल्स में ये स्टिग्मा होता है कि या तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बस्टी हूँ, लाइक माई ब्रेस्ट आर सो विजिबल, or my breasts are very small, so they have these anxieties. Similarly, a man has an anxiety about his size. So first thing I'm going to talk about the size itself, कि size क्या होता है, average penis size क्या होता है. So average size flaccid penis होता है. Flaccid penis का मतलब कि जब वो erect नहीं होता है, मतलब वो limp होता है, ऐसे limp, as in just उसमें कोई इरेक्शन नहीं होता है. इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक नॉर्मली विदाउट इरेक्शन, उसको फ्लैसिड पीनस कहते हैं. वो लिम्प होता है, मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसे वो रहेगा. तो उसका जो साइज़ होता है वो अराउंड 3.5 इंचज़ होता है, विच इज़ लाइक एवरेज साइज. हाय प्रवीण. सो गाइज हु हैव जॉइन लेट, वी आर स्टार्टेड टू टॉक अबाउट द एवरेज पीनस साइज ऑफ द फ्लैसिड पेनिस. फ्लैसिड पेनिस मतलब व्हेन देयर इज़ नो इरेक्शन. So one is the erected state and one is the non-erected state. So the one which is not in erection is called flaccid penis, and flaccid penis size is 3.5 inches, which is the average size. Erect penis, which is like when there is a blood flow and the penis is really erect, it is 5.1 inches is the average. Hi Milan. So this is the average size, so don't worry when you say that मतलब it is like penis for a man is his like personality, right? My penis. And then men do compare each other's penis. Like I have heard these things that yes, like women also look at each other's breast and they say okay, men also do these comparisons. But now most of this comparison is not a right comparison. Why? I will tell you why. So suppose this is the penis, okay, and this is the man. So man is this. So अगर वो किसी सामने अपने किसी और आदमी का पेनिस देख रहे हैं, when he is looking at it, he is looking at it from front. So man looks at the penis of the other man, he is looking it from the front. But when he looks himself, जब वो खुद देखता है, वो खुद अपना ऑर्गन देखता है, तो वो he is looking from above, right? So something that is looked from front appears bigger in size than something that is looked from above. So जो देखने का जो angle है, size also depends. I mean the perception of the size also depends on the angle you're looking at. Okay, so if you are looking at your own penis, from top, because it's like you cannot see it from front, you will see it like this. So it appears to be smaller than it actually is, but when you look at some other man's penis, you look it from the front, so then it appears to be bigger. Okay, राजन डिस्कशन पेनिस साइज पे हो रहा है. यू कैन सी द कैप्शन, आप टाइटल देख सकते हैं. यू कैन सी द टाइटल. ग्रेट. हाय कृष्णा, हाय राजकुमार, हेलो हिमांशु. अगली बार से राजन टाइम पे आएंगे आप. ओके, एनीवेज, नाउ कमिंग टू द प्लेजर. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि क्या, नाउ आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू अबाउट द साइज, दैट what is the average penis size, why it looks smaller to us, why we compare with the other men, they think that they have the bigger penis than us. It is from the way of looking, and then we love our penises, men love their penises just the way women love their breast. So yes, that is completely fine. Not talking about the pleasure. Okay, so they think that most of the men, they think that okay, a big penis size is essential to pleasuring my woman in intercourse. Okay, so वो ऐसा सोचते हैं, जनरली ऐसा लगता है मैन को कि अगर हमारा पार्टनर है तो हम उसे ज़्यादा खुश कर सकते हैं अगर हमारा पेनिस साइज़ बड़ा होगा, क्योंकि पेनिट्रेशन में उसको ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट फील होगा, उसको ज़्यादा इंटेंसिटी फील होगी. बट दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. ओके, आई मीन दिस इज़ अ मिथ. वाई इट इज़ अ मिथ, वाई इट इज़ नॉट राइट? Because only the first few centimeters of the woman's vagina have the nerves. Okay, so nerves, like the nerves that are for sensation, it is only the first few inches of the vagina, so it doesn't really need to go deep to make her feel all the sensation. It is just the first few inches from the rear end. तो जो वुमेन का योनि का द्वार होता है, मतलब जो योनि होती है, जो योनि का द्वार होता है जहाँ से आप पेनिट्रेशन करते हो, उस गेट के पास ही जो नर्व एंडिंग्स होती है जिसमें सेंसेशन ऑफ प्लेजर होता है, दीज आर जस्ट राइट नियर टू द गेट. दे आर नॉट रियली डीप इनसाइड, सो इट डजंट मैटर. इन फैक्ट women are more happier than smaller penises because larger penises can hurt, क्योंकि अंदर सेंसेशन नहीं है, सेंसेशन बाहर है. तो जो लार्जर पेनिस जब अंदर जाता है तो इट कैन टच सर्विक्स इफ़ द वुमेन इज़ नॉट अराउज्ड इनफ. तो जब वुमेन अराउज होती हैं बहुत ज़्यादा तो उनका सर्विक्स ऊपर जाता है, मतलब इट ओपन्स अप स्पेस, शी गेट्स डायलेटेड, मतलब इट्स लाइक शी ओपन्स अप व्हेन शी इज़ अराउज, शी इज़ ओपन्स अप. सो उसका वो डायलेशन हो जाएगा, एक्सपेंशन हो जाएगा वेजाइनल कनाल का. बट अगर वो अराउज नहीं है तो उनका इट्स रेस्ट्रिक्टेड, इट इज़ नॉट लुब्रिकेटेड इनफ, देन शी विल feel hurt. So men with larger penises actually have a disadvantage when it comes to pleasuring the women. So don't think कि size is matter for sex life. Larger penis can actually turn you into a position of disadvantage. Okay, it is actually a कैसे कहते हैं कि आपके लिए अच्छी बात नहीं होगी अगर आपका पेनिस साइज बहुत बड़ा है. Now second thing, for some men who think कि हाँ they are not able to have the enough, how do I say, suction जो होता है, मतलब बिल्कुल कसना जो कहते हैं कि if there is not enough suction when they enter, like it feels like really loose, so then you can try some different positions. Okay, so you can make the woman compress her thighs like this. तो एक ऐसी पोजीशन जिसमें उनके थाइज कंप्रेस हो फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. सो डेफिनेटली डॉगी स्टाइल कुड बी द पोजीशन वेयर you can try for sex. So डॉगी पोजीशन में क्या होगा कि उनका जो है दैट एक्चुअली इज़ लाइक it gets compressed, the area gets compressed. So try a different sexual position if the woman has a slightly loose vagina. Okay, so like I said कि a position where thighs are compressed from behind. जो जंघा होती है, जंघा compress होना चाहिए from behind. So that is the best position to try if she is having a loose vagina. Or else you can also for long term, मतलब just for ongoing to tighten the vaginal muscles, you can ask her to do lower body exercises called Kegel exercises. Kegel. Hi Deven. Kegel exercises. So the men who think that their partners after giving birth, they have a loose vagina after having birth. जो डिलीवरी होती है तो स्टिचेस भी पड़ते हैं, या उसके बाद थोड़ा सा रिपीटेड डिलीवरीज होती हैं, तो उसमें इफ़ यू थिंक दैट येस इट हैज़ लूजनड अप, then you can try Kegel exercises. Then there is one more thing, you can also ask her to do a belly dance, right? Belly dance जो होता है, belly dance also helps in tightening the yoni muscles. It is actually a womb dance. मतलब belly dance का जो आविष्कार भी हुआ था वो इसलिए हुआ था कि जो औरतें जब बर्थ देती थी तो उनका वो नीचे का पोर्शन बहुत वैसा हो जाता था, आउट ऑफ शेप. सो बेली डांस वॉज एन एक्सरसाइज so that they come back into the shape from the lower body. बट क्या हुआ, टाइम के साथ उनको पता चला, जो देखने वाले थे उनको पता चला अच्छा इससे तो एंटरटेनमेंट भी आता है, इससे तो मतलब ये तो बहुत मज़ेदार लगता है देखने में, तो उन्होंने डांस बना दिया. कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन ऑफ हिरेन, स्टैंडर्ड साइज ऑफ पेनिस इज़ 5.1 when erect and 3.5 inches when it is not erect, which is called flaccid. So penis के दो साइज होते हैं depending on whether it is erect or not. Erected penis average size is 5.1 and non-erect मतलब it's like this, जो ऐसे ही रहता है जनरली, उसको लिम्प पोजिशन में रहता है, लिम्प रहता है, वो होता है 3.5 inches. Correct sex position I just talked. Hi Jayesh, what is an ideal pleasure time? Someone told, sometime people told I took no, it doesn't see time not for penetration but for foreplay. So if you have to invest time for sex, don't keep it for intercourse, keep it for foreplay, keep it for so मैं बताती हूँ क्या होता है. जैसे मैं वुमेन का बता रही थी कि उनकी जो वेजाइनल मसल्स होती है, it is right at the entrance, very near to the entrance, if I say, not right but near to the entrance. So a woman's vagina has those nerves, sensory nerves that gives her pleasure. They are located right at the right near to the opening of the vagina. Okay. Secondly, the woman exterior genitalia मतलब clitoris. So clitoris has far, मतलब मैं लिटरली आंखें बंद करके बोल रही हूँ, इतना ज़्यादा डेंस होता है क्लिटोरिस जो होता है, और जो लिप्स होते हैं उसमें जो नर्व्स होती हैं, लाइक इट इज़ ह्यूमंगस, मतलब बहुत सारी नर्व एंडिंग्स होती हैं. सो शी कैन एक्चुअली गेट अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेजर जस्ट बाय यूजिंग द फिंगर टिप्स. So don't say that okay you can pleasure her by penetration. Only 62%. So there has been a study done which is like 62% women either do not orgasm through penetration or they orgasm very rarely. This is 62%. 62% है. Through some media study this has been done. They have surveyed like 1100 women. 62% women do not orgasm through penetration or they orgasm वेरी रेयरली मतलब आप समझ सकते हैं रेयरली मतलब क्या होता है, मतलब बहुत ही कम. सो विमेन एक्चुअली हैव द मोर पोटेंशियल फॉर प्लेजर फ्रॉम द एक्सटर्नल पार्ट ऑफ इट विच इज़ लाइक कनीलिंगस जो होता है ओरल सेक्स होता है. सो देयर हैज़ बीन इट वी नो बिकॉज हम एक पैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी में रहे हैं. सो देयर हैज़ oral sex done on men is like really it is not a big deal. Every woman has done oral sex, but when it comes to asking for the women audience, I am talking to them, and also for the male partners. So while oral sex for a man, he gets the oral sex, okay, every woman she gives the oral sex. I mean maybe there could be some exceptions, but a woman traditionally she has not even asked for the oral sex, but she can get an extreme pleasure from cunnilingus, okay, oral sex. So you can use tongue, you can use finger. In fact there was this I just was reading an interview and she was saying that I actually have a shower before I ask my man to do oral sex on me because I want my vagina to feel fresh. But vagina जो होता है लोग कहते हैं उसमें स्मेल आती है, but it's same, it's just like penis, okay, it's a natural smell. So if men who think that no I don't want to go down, so please you don't think that you can get her pleasure alone from penetration. If she can go down on you, you can also go down on her. Okay. And yes, you can like, you know, the women, they can actually have a wash just to feel that, okay, I want to feel fresh. And this, I mean, this is not mandatory, but yes, you can do it. You can have a shower before you want to have sex so that you feel fresh, you smell fresh, right? But don't use any these you know, perfumes etc. on vagina. Please don't use. Don't apply any kind of chemicals on vagina, right? The natural smell itself is good. So yeah, you can, if you are coming from a long day and you know, you are feeling that, okay, I'm feeling tired and sweaty, so yeah, you can you know, have a shower before that. That's it. राजन, केगल एक्सरसाइज होता है, नेट पे सर्च कर लो. सो इट इज़ KEGEL. सो केगल एक्सरसाइज क्या होता है, मैं एक एक्सरसाइज बताती हूँ. उसमें क्या होता है, यू ब्रीद इन एंड काउंट 1 to 20 एंड स्क्वीज योर जेनिटल मसल्स. ओके, द वुमेन विल स्क्वीज, शी विल स्क्वीज, मतलब अपने आप को अंदर खींचना, योनि को अंदर खींचना. ओके, एंड देन होल्ड it till 20-30 counts and then release it, and she has to do it 10 times. So this is one of the exercises, and there are a lot of exercises. So just search KEGEL, Kegel exercises, right? Sam, any exercise to become thick and long? Okay, let me bust one more myth. There is no supplement, there is no medication that can make the penis size long. कोई ऐसा नहीं आया. और पहली बात तो इसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. लाइक मैंने कहा कि 5.1 इंचेस एवरेज साइज़ होता है और 3.5 इंचेस तब होता है जब इरेक्शन नहीं होता है. लॉन्ग इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी, बिगर इज़ नॉट बेटर. ओके, एंड जो हम बात करते हैं, वाइग्रा की बात करते हैं, कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स जो कि ये क्लेम करते हैं कि हम साइज़ बढ़ा सकते हैं. प्लीज़ डोंट ट्रस्ट अबाउट इफ़ दे से दैट हम साइज़ लंबा कर सकते हैं. व्हाट दे डू इज़ दे पुश द ब्लड फ्लो इनटू द पेनिस. आई मीन, इफ़ दे आर रिलायबल, एंड इफ़ दे आर नॉट रिलायबल, आई रियली डोंट नो. बट वाइग्रा जो मेडिसिन होती है, वाइग्रा जो होता है, वाइग्रा में नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड होता है, NO. नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड एक केमिकल होता है. नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड इम्प्रूव्स द ब्लड फ्लो टू द पेनिस. सो इट इज़ लाइक इन्फ्लेटिंग द टायर. मतलब एक टायर में हवा नहीं तो उसमें हवा भर दो, पर टायर का साइज़ नहीं बड़ा होता, टायर को फुला देते हैं. यू नो, इन्फ्लेटिंग द टायर बाय पम्पिंग इन मोर एयर. सो पम्पिंग इन मोर ब्लड टू मेक इट मोर, यू नो, थिक. तो जो गर्थ होता है, मतलब जो उसकी वो होती है, वो मोटा हो जाता है और वो भर जाता है, बट उसका साइज़ नहीं बड़ा होता. साइज़ बड़ा होने का कोई मेडिसिन बना ही नहीं अभी तक. देयर इज़ नो मेडिसिन. जय, साइज इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इनफैक्ट मैंने अभी जस्ट बताया था कि men who have actually higher penis size can hurt the women if they are penetrating when she is not aroused fully, or if her vagina is tight or she is not lubricated properly. lubrication मतलब कि वो वहाँ पे wetness होना चाहिए. नहीं तो अगर साइज़ बड़ा है, like if 7 inches you are talking, 7 inches is above average, which is on coming on the larger size. So such women can actually have painful intercourse. So let me, you know, just to change the mood, let me share a very interesting story. So in 2013, I guess, there was a study done in a village of Kenya. Okay, so Kenya में जब एक सर्वे हुआ था वहाँ की औरतों पे, so there were like a lot of women were leaving their men, you know, they were cheating and they were having sex with other men outside the marriage. And then it was found that you know, in that survey, that all these men are having larger and longer penis sizes. Yes. So उनको ये लगा कि अच्छा ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मोस्टली जो मैन हैं जिनकी बीवियाँ उनको छोड़ रही हैं, दे आर एक्चुअली हैविंग लार्जर पेनिस साइज. सो पता ये चला कि these women were actually experiencing painful intercourse because of large penis size. Okay, so ensure that she is fully aroused if you really have the large penis size, because you will end up hurting her. So just keep on checking with her if she is lubricated, if she is feeling wet enough. तो wetness तब आती है जब arousal पूरा होता है. नहीं तो you can use some lubes to support. Lubricants आते हैं, you can just check in the market which are the lubes, you know, KY jelly based lubes होते हैं, वो आप खरीद सकते हो, to create a lubrication. Of course, Rajkumar, I mean, it depends on both the partners if they are fit enough. There is no number. It has to come from within. See, it is not number कि हमें रोज़ करना है, रोज़ ही करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आपका जब मन करता है, आप जब मूड में होते हो, वो मूड की बात होती है कि अगर आपका मूड रोज़ कर रहा है, उनका मूड रोज़ कर रहा है, तो रोज़ कीजिए. What about G-spot? Okay, G-spot, see, it is located 4 inches inside the vagina and on the frontal wall. मतलब frontal wall सामने के wall पे होता है, 4 inches पीछे होता है, 4 inches. This is the exact position, and yes, it has a potential pleasure, and women can as much self-stimulate it through the through the male partner also. So yeah. Well, I cannot comment on any medication, Sam. Do women need to be satisfied? Why not, Raghuveer? I mean, yes, satisfaction is a birthright. And why will not she get satisfied? Definitely. If you are paying attention to her pleasure, understand, you are paying attention to her pleasure, that okay, a lot of men, the problem with the men with the larger penis size is one more problem. Problem क्या होता है? This is coming from the women. So women say, most women, like, these are just surveys that have been done. So women say कि the men who actually have larger penis size, they think that all it needs is a penis for them to satisfy the woman, okay, and hence they don't do any work on the bed. They simply come, they show up because they think that okay, penis size is good for pleasure. But no, there needs to be more and more, and that is like not even important for most of the women. Like I said, 62% women have never orgasmed, or like very rarely orgasm through penetration. It may it may seem good for the first time, and it still feels good. I'm not saying that it doesn't feel good, but there has to be more. There has to be more sauces, there has to be more pickles, there has to be more desserts, right? You have to add on, you have to elaborate the menu. Okay, so yeah, coming to the question. So I was saying that women have said that men who have larger penis size doesn't really are concerned about their partner's pleasure, because they think that larger penis size is all it takes for her to satisfy her, whereas men who have smaller penis size actually think that no, they have to cover up, they have to make up, and they actually do more to pleasure her. Okay, so by doing more, they can do cunnilingus, they can like stimulate it through hand, like give a hand job, right? Give her a good foreplay. So it is not what you have, it is how you use it. Okay, remember how to use it. You just cannot like have it, you have to use it properly. Okay, now coming to the thing that when men say that they are concerned about penis size, it has mostly come from porn. This anxiety has come from porn, that okay, your perception is skewed towards porn because porn wants to skew your perception. Okay, porn wants to distort your perception. Porn doesn't want to make you happy. Porn hates you basically. Okay, so पॉर्न जो होता है वो आपको हेट करता है, वो पॉर्न आपको पसंद नहीं करता. पॉर्न चाहता है कि आप नाखुश रहो सेक्सुअली, क्योंकि आप सेक्सुअली नाखुश रहोगे तो आप और पॉर्न देखोगे जस्ट टू सेटिस्फाई योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज यू फील लोनलियर, right? You don't have a partner because you have that complex कि I'm not able to satisfy her, and maybe you have a breakup, and then you still go back to watching porn because that's a form of sex addiction. People get sexual pleasure by watching visual porn. So porn actually wants for people to be meant to be unhappy. Okay, secondly, coming about the porn, see, understand लार्जर पेनिस साइज़ का स्टोरी क्या था पॉर्न में. ओके, सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ पॉर्न हैज़ इवॉल्व टू हैव मोर बिगर पेनिस. ऐसा नहीं था, शुरू में नहीं था कि पॉर्न में ये चीज़ थी. इट वॉज अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल नीड टू हैव बिगर पेनिसेस. आर यू गेटिंग मी? So most of us have seen larger penises in porn. Okay, जो lead actors होते हैं, performers होते हैं, उनका penis size बड़ा होता है. It has come from there. The question about larger penis size has been popularized by porn. And how it was popularized? So it was a practical need for porn directors. Okay, how? So initially क्या होता है कि जैसे see, understand, when two normal people are having sex, they will switch off the light. Okay, their bodies are tightly compressed to each other. Okay, like this, you know, they are like this, like completely attached to each other. The two people's bodies, man and a woman, when they are having sex in a natural situation. Now when they are having sex in a porn setting, okay, understand that now they are having sex in a porn setting. So what is happening there is they have to open up. Okay, the performers have to open up so the world can see what is going on. Okay, so they have to be like this so that you know यहाँ पे अगर इंटरकोर्स हो रहा है तो ये दिखना चाहिए कि हाँ यहाँ पे इंटरकोर्स हो रहा है, ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है. द मैन इज कमिंग इनसाइड एंड गोइंग आउटसाइड. दिस इज व्हाट पीपल पे फॉर. यू नो, porn क्यों फेमस है? बिकॉज वी वांट टू सी द सेक्स एंड फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ अस सेक्स इज लाइक दिस, you know, this. So they want to see now. So they don't want the lead actor and actors like to be this. They want it to be separated, bodies to be separated so that they can see the penis. But so the man has to enter the woman from a distance so that camera can capture the act. Now he has to enter the woman from a distance and then he has to maintain that erection and you know make it like a wild ride and you know make it like interesting. So he has to have a length long. His length has to be long so that he is able to do this. You know, अगर छोटा होगा तो वो तो यहाँ पे रुक जाएगा ना, उसको तो लंबा होना है तभी तो वो अंदर जाएगा. तो वो एक प्रैक्टिकल नीड थी पॉर्न की, इसलिए उन्होंने किया. प्लस even the camera, you know, the way camera actually captures it, camera gives a depth to the you know the entire film so that it actually looks bigger. So जो even एक तो समझ आप ये समझो कि जो परफॉर्मर्स होते हैं उनको चुना ऐसे जाता है कि उनका एवरेज पेनिस साइज बड़ा होता है. यू नो, लाइक उनका पेनिस साइज इज़ लाइक मच बिगर देन द एवरेज पेनिस साइज. दे आर ऑलरेडी चोजन, लाइक दे आर हैंड पिक्ड. एंड सेकेंडली कैमरा एड्स टू द यू नो हाउ डू आई से मैग्नीट्यूड. मतलब जो भी उनका साइज है उसको कैमरा और जूम कर देता है थ्रू टेक्निकल स्किल्स so that it looks wow. So it's not real. Okay, so don't go to the porn and compare that. Okay, वहाँ पे तो इतना बड़ा दिखता है, मेरा तो इतना छोटू सा है. मतलब you know, this is like how they think. No, that's a film. Okay, they are working with an agenda to earn dollars and they want to like make you insecure. Please don't fall in the trap. Let me take some questions. Yes, Jayesh, you are right that oral sex, yes, we are talking about oral sex, that yes, cunnilingus कहते हैं उसको English में. So cunnilingus is, you know, preferable by most women. They like it more than penetration because उनका जो nerve endings होता है, biologically speaking बता रही हूँ, उसका जो साइंस ये होता है कि जो nerve endings होती है वो ज़्यादा बाहर होती हैं, क्लिटोरिस के पास होती हैं, inner lips के पास होता है. So no, it differs, the time differs, there is no standard time. No संतोष, over masturbation don't cause any problems. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. स्टेमिना के लिए आप और चीज़ें पे फोकस करो. अगर आपको स्टेमिना का ये चीज़ है तो जिम करो, अच्छा डाइट लो, स्मोकिंग मत करो, अल्कोहल ज़्यादा मत पियो. तो these are the things that you should help in building the stamina. Thank you, Raghuveer. Well, Sam, I cannot comment on that. Drinking sperm is good. Yes, Stephen, no one should watch porn according to me. Hussain, मैंने अभी बताया था. I think that has answered this question. Abhijit, I cannot comment on the products, so maybe better you can have a second opinion with the sexologist. नो जयेश, ऐसी बात होती है ना, जनरली हमारी जो बातचीत होती है ऐसी कहते हैं हाँ मेरा बहुत छोटा है. आई मीन यू नो दिस इज़ हाउ दे टॉक इन द नॉर्मल लाइफ लैंग्वेज. Abhijit, I said that I really cannot comment on the health products because it depends. Some people, though it is said that even I have, but I really cannot comment it because it is something. There could be some side effects. I mean, depending on the person. So you can actually get an opinion from a doctor. If you want to consume it for the long time, how it works or not. Okay, so what else? See, let me actually give you a very nice example. मैं आपको एक image दिखा रही हूँ, and you will see. So, how many of you have seen the Greek god pictures? Greek god. So Greek god जो होते थे, मतलब देवता होते थे, Roman देवता, and they were like not Romans, Greeks basically. So Greek god, they were like very well sculpted, body, but their penis size was very small. So I'm just turning the camera and just want to see you. Are you able to see it? Okay, I hope did you see it? So yes, so I was telling that Greek god, I hope you have seen that. So Greek god जो होता है उन Greek sculptures, so those who have not seen, please after this session please do a Google. Greek sculptures जो होते हैं उनका जो penis size होता है वो बहुत कम होता है, it's like very small, and there is a reason for it, that why their penis size is small, because ये एक कल्चरल चेंज भी आया है कि पॉर्न कल्चर ने ये चीज़ को बढ़ावा दे दिया कि पेनिस साइज बढ़ाना चाहिए. बट जो एंशियंट कल्चर था, ग्रीक्स का था, दे हैव एक्चुअली have a very different perception of penis size. Greek gods, please search for Greek statues of men. They are very well sculpted. Okay, so why the penis size was small? Because it was said कि it will increase fertility functionally. I'm talking about there are two reasons, functional reason and aesthetic reason. मतलब functional reason का मतलब है कि they are useful. So smaller penis size is useful and it is also beautiful. So why it is useful? Because जो smaller penis अगर होता है तो sperm को कम travel करना पड़ेगा from the penis, and hence it has more chances to fertilize the ovum. So sperm can travel less and sperm can quickly go into the vagina because it will spend less time in traveling. This is the functional reason as per them. And then second is that it looks more beautiful. Bigger penis is like barbaric, no, they have never thought of bigger penis as like more appealing. They always thought smaller penises look very good because it is indication of culture, civilization, poise. So it is very differently. It's a cultural change. Okay, let me take the questions. Minimum length penis, Shyam, it differs. I'm not sure because we all know about averages. It's just 5 inches for erect penis and non-erect penis 3.5 inches. Minimum, again, it is subjective. How to convince a girl for sex? See, convince matlab it is like a mutual decision that both have to take. So you have to tell me that why she's not getting convinced. Okay, in minimum time there is no time as such. We don't get feeling. Yes, no Kausar, it can depend on the recovery period. See, women who have a normal delivery have faster recovery periods than women who have a C-section because there is a bigger surgery. But yes, plus surgery also needs a lot of time to heal. So even if you have your stitches cut, then you still need to give that time, So the doctor advised like 3 to 4 months at least one should refrain from having sex after a surgery. So it's just about the time. Otherwise, women are as sexually active. Like I have a C-section. I have a C-section delivery, but I am very sexually active. I mean, it has been, there was a time when I was not feeling well, but it just, at times it gives recovery, like you can recover. Thanks, Sham. Any questions? I think I have answered all the questions. So VS, we have covered about the pleasuring, that yes, at the end of the session, I'm again reiterating that no, penis size doesn't matter for, you know, pleasuring a woman. Women need more from the other acts like fingers, you know, hand job, oral sex. Just don't go by the standard penetration. It doesn't work. It doesn't work for most of the women. What works is more outside and less inside. It's all a package. Understand कि ये पूरा complete package है. तो पैकेज में से सिर्फ एक चीज़ निकाल के दी तो उससे पेट नहीं भरेगा. You know, her hunger will not be fulfilled. You have to give in more. Tajneesh, it depends. For anal sex, a lot of women don't like it, and always ensure that the anus is massaged enough. You know, the anus, the butt, and the thighs even. They should be massaged enough. She should be relaxed enough for you to enter. Don't enter her when she is not aroused. It will pain her. She can even bleed. So ensure that you have that massaging and use some oil. Okay, you can use a coconut oil or some like natural oil and massage the anus, or you can have you know, anal sex immediately after you had penetrative sex. So after penetration also a woman is relaxed, then also you can do a anal sex after a very good session of penetrative sex. Mayank, I didn't get that question. Doesn't last for more than a minute? What happens? I mean, what she like, how do you know? I like, you know, if a man doesn't like, when you talk about a man, then it understand that okay, he has ejaculated, but how are you talking about the women? You have to elaborate more. She is not getting convinced. See, Ankit, you need to share the reasons why she is not getting convinced. You know, sex is a pleasure. You know, most women like it, even the ones who are inhibited, but just that they are not, they feel that okay, I don't want to, you know, share, I don't want to, like my values do not permit me to be sexually active. So you need to share the exact reasons that why she is not, because we need to work at the root cause. See, don't just bypass it. Bypass का मतलब है कि problem ये है तो हम यहाँ से निकल गए. नहीं, problem को address करना ज़रूरी है. So share me. I'm here. I'm here for 5 minutes more. No, Raghavendra, nothing. How can we increase? Good night, Shyam. Of course, oral sex is healthy. Why it will not be healthy? It is completely fine. It's a completely natural act, Jignesh. Correct position to eject the semen inside vagina to fertilize. Well, Ankur, first thing is for the high chances of fertilization, it has to be, you know, on the best days of the menstrual cycle. There is a ovulation kit, like around the ovulation at the 14th day of the menstrual cycle when it ovulates. I think 7 to 14 day hota hai, but you can still, I think this is a doctor would be able to answer. Okay. I mean, the position, like I was not talking about just the position, but overall things also. So one of the ways is to have sex on the fertile days. So you have to see, basis her menstrual cycle, what all are the fertile days during the time when she has ovulated. You know, she has the highest chance to get pregnant. Position wise is like missionary position also works. You know, because sperm has to travel, you know, sperm has to travel. So अगर आप woman on the top रहेंगी तो वो sperm का थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. So women has to be like below, and yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much for attending today's session and showering with this love. You know, I always keep looking forward to this session every day of the month, and we are talking new topics, and we are bringing more topics also in the coming month. Okay, and it's good to have a session on different topics of sex. I really try my best to answer the questions of you all, and yes. Okay, Jignesh has asked question. I like oral sex, but my wife doesn't. How to convince her? Okay, Jignesh, there could be you know, personal reasons, or there could be cultural reasons. Understand that women are very inhibited when it comes to liking their genitals. I mean, I need to know if she has masturbated ever or not. If she has masturbated, then there is a different thing, and if she has not masturbated, then it's clearly an indication that she is uncomfortable with her own sexuality. So please answer this question. I'm here. So if girl said she is satisfied within a minute and then she did not participate in sex, but I usually take 10 to 15 minutes, it doesn't feel the same way. Mang, I really doubt that 1 minute is very less. Really, it's very less. So you have to have a very transparent talk with her, that let me know, I am not pushing you, don't push her. Maybe she is afraid that she cannot tell you the real reason. So just tell her that whatever your reason is, and please tell it with the 100% honest intention. Don't cheat her afterwards. So tell her that whatever is the reason, maybe she is not liking sex, maybe she has some trauma of sex, that she has some sexual abuse and that has like changed her attitude towards sex, and she's just trying to do it as a duty. A lot of women do duty sex. So you have to ask her that what is it that you don't like, and then you have to maybe experiment with different foreplay positions. Forget about sex, let's first focus on foreplay. Let's first focus on just accepting her and honoring her with the whole body. Okay, a woman is more than her vagina. She has she has a neck, she has an earlobe, she has a nose, eyelids, lips, lot of things. So please have a talk with her and ask her that what is stopping her. She definitely, satisfaction means either she is feeling pain, and she is not able to bring herself up to talk about it. Maybe she wants some other pleasure, so ask her that what else interests you sexually. Maybe give her the book of Kama Sutra to read. It is important for you to read Kama Sutra, because when you know the entire list of actions, like okay, what all acts are there, in foreplay, what all kisses are there, then you are able to offer it to her. Okay, you don't want it, let me give you this. Okay, you don't want it, let me give you this. So you should have like 15 options. Be a skilled lover. It's good, Aaron. So guys, thank you so much for today's session. I hope we were able to cover a lot of ground. And please don't, love your penises. They are beautiful. Every penis is beautiful. They are like awesome. And yeah, be the force. Your penis is the force. Okay, you should be proud of your penis. And hashtag be the force, Goki app. So stay tuned and let's meet on Friday. Okay, bye bye.